We know summertime is always busy at Asbury Woods in Mill Creek Township, and what's called the Nature in Your Neighborhood program is connected to the importance of reading, all through a partnership with what's called Hooked on Books for Kids. And this is the second straight year.
Yeah, I had a chance to stop by the program this afternoon, take science and nature on the road. Today's stop, Perry Square. The youngsters enjoyed the bees and butterflies, all about Pollinators program. One boy even turned into a butterfly, and kids received a free book of their choosing for stopping by. The goal is to ignite a curiosity about nature through engaging themes.
Interaction is one of the best ways to learn in the first place. We put in a lot of work earning money and buying books, but when we actually are in the presence of a kid who's enjoying our efforts, it's very rewarding.
And the next neighborhood program, 1 week from today, August 10th, it will take place at McKinley Park. The program is free and runs from 2 until 3 p.m.